Scott baked cookies tonight, and we're trying to get him off the pan.
I really can't. Bending the spatula.
Okay. Scott loves to bake.
He thinks he's good at
He
it.
thinks he's really good at it. I'm afraid it's gonna fling over.
Are you kidding? What if I get my foot into it?
Nothing.
Got it.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Let's see.
Should you taste it?
Yeah.
Well, vegan cookies. We'll try. Not bad.
What?
Not bad.